and what is meant by byte addressability. That is big Indian and little Indian assignment. Today we are going to see that. Draw this diagram, everyone. See why I am, even though we are having a soft copy, why I am making you to write a draw is through drawing only you can score mark in CO. The more you draw, the more you will get the marks. Remember that. Okay, so practice the drawing always. Practice, draw and see. Now you will feel it's easy, but when you read all the full lessons, you will get confused. Okay, so do it now.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a little, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Amma? This also you should write. This is for signed and this is for 4 characters. Both you should write, okay? Signed integer, and when they ask for memory, you have to draw all the 3 things. What, sir?
Ma'am, can you just scroll it up, ma'am?
Appa.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, done, ma'am.
Shall I start, ma? See, memory location. When I shall I start? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
What will be the useful strength? 30, no? Hmm? I'm asking you, pa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Still your 10 has to come. Okay. See, first of all, when I talk about the memory location, I'll tell you how you can find out the. Suppose we are having a two. ಹ್ಮ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಮ್ See how we can memory is what actually it is made up of it is a many storage cells where it is made up of flip flops. Okay, each cell can store either 0 or 1. Each cell can store a bit of information in the form of zeros or 1. Okay, the usually the unit of it will be
There
in
is
the
some
form of
sound with your earphones, ma'am.
hello.
Voice is not clear, ma'am. There is some sound with your earphones.
Ma'am, Manjunath sir is telling to join his class, ma'am, now.
Yeah, ma'am.
ಸರ್ ನೀವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಾನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾ ಈಗ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. Tell me, I have to disconnect or what you are taking or what? I'll take, sir. Hey, I will continue. Okay, you please join here. Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
I told him, I informed the sir. You continue here. Ask her not to leave. Put in the group, ma. Not to leave the this one. Put in the group. Not to leave the group. This one. Session. ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ memory location and address. What did I tell? So memory consists of many storage cell made up of flip flop. Each can store the bit of information in the form of zeros and one. Okay, each group of n bits actually it will be in the power of 2. Okay, suppose you are having a 2 bits, then how many number of address space you can generate in memory? How many address will be there? See here, I'll put it in the board. One second. Suppose this is a memory. Okay, I'm having only 2 bits. N equal to 2. So 2 power 2 it will become 2 power 2. That is equal to 4. 2 power 2 is 4. So what are the address for that? 0 0. It will start from 0. Okay, 0 0 0 1
1 0
0
1 1.
1 1. Suppose, understood or not? This one you cleared?
Yeah,
So how
ma'am.
many address space it generate if I am having 2 bits? If I am having 2
4
bits, how many address space generated?
4
4. Suppose if I am having 4 bits, now do it. 4 bits, do it. It will be in the power of 2 usually. 4 bits, do it. How many it will generate and write their address. Everyone, I will ask one by one. If I am having 4 bits, do it everyone. This one 2 bits, understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Four bits. Anyone? Tell me. Akila. Akila. If it is a 4 bit,
Yes,
tell me the
ma'am.
address. Tell me the address for 4 bits. 2 per 4. Tell me the address. If the bits are 4, what are the address space it gets generated? What you are not knowing or not? Understood or not? Akila?
I didn't understand the question, ma'am.
Suppose the number of, see, if the number of bits is 2, how many memory locations are there? See, this is the number of bit. It will be in the power of 2. What the number of bits in the this one computer is 2. Okay, so it will become 2 power n is the number of memory location. 2 power n, remember. 2 power n.
Okay, ma'am.
2 power n. So I am asking, if n equal to 4, how many number of address space get generated?
16, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 power 4 is 16. So what are all the address bits for that? What are the address bits for that?
4 zeros,
4
4
4
1.
bits. 0 0 0 0. First one. Then
1 1 1 1.
0 0 0 0. First one. First memory location. 0 0 0.
0 0 0 1.
Yeah. Then 0
0
0.
0 1 0.
Hmm. Then
0 0 1 1. 0 1 double 0.
0 1 double 0.
1
Then
double 0. 0 1 0 1.
0 1. Then
0 1 1 0.
then 0.
1 0 1 1 1.
Then
1 triple 0.
very good. Then
1
1 triple
0
0.
0 1.
Then
1 1 0 1 0.
1 0. Then
1011.
then
1100.
then double 1
1101. 1110. 1110. 41.
That's all. These are all the address bits getting generated if you are having a 4 bits of memory location. See, a 16 address space should come. Did you get or not? See there? Count and see. 16 should come. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So if I am having this one, if n equal to 4, everybody understood this, no?
Yes.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
If n equal to 6, how many number of address space getting generated?
36.
Hello?
36, ma'am.
36. 6, ma'am.
If n equal to 6, how many number of address space getting generated? It is 2 power n, no? How many number of
64, ma'am.
64.
64. So 2 power 6 is 64. So 64 address space getting generated. That is a capacity of the memory. So it's all depend on the number of bits n. It based on the number of bits n, the capacity of your memory is decided. See here, if it is 24-bit address, so 2 power 24, that is 16 MB memory location we are having. That's why the capacity of your memory is decided by the number of bits of your address space. Capacity of your memory is decided by the capacity of memory is decided by the
Number of
Bits.
the address space. Okay, see here, these are all the, so first memory location is called a first word, second word, and the last word. Okay, understood. So now in each cell, how it will be, see a 32 bits word, so 32 bits, B31, B30 up to B1, B0. It's a way we will write. Usually first bit, usually for sign bit, it is called a sign bit. B31, if it is 0, then positive number. B31, if it is 1, it is a negative number. So signed integer. This is the way it will be stored. 32 bits, it will be stored in the form of ones and zeros. So from the LSB to MSB, B31, B30, B29, 28 up to B1 to B0, since it is B32 bits. So first bit will be B31 will be 0 or 1. If it is 0, then it is a positive number. If it is 1, then it is a negative number. Understand? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
See, 4 bits. 4 bits means content 4. 32 bits means 32 bits content will be there in your memory. Each location content. See, each location content. If the first bit is 0, then it is a positive number. This is a signed integer I am telling. If you want to store signed integer in particular cell, the first bit is 0, then it is a positive number. If it is 1, it is a negative number. Then byte address. This is understood or not? How we can decide the memory location? What is word? Each group of n bits is called as word, and the n is called the word length. And the group unit of 8 bits will become 1 byte. 8 bits will become 1 byte. That you know, I think. 8 bits will become 1 byte. And the address, based on the number of bits, we can generate the address space, that is number of memory locations. Any doubt in this? Any doubts?
Ma'am, could you repeat that?
Which one?
The word and the grouping the word.
See, here n bits are there, that is 32 bits are there. If you want to have the next memory location, another 32 bit will come. So each one is called as word. This is one 32 bit word. Next location 32 bit is another 32 bit word. The combination of everything will become a word length. And 8 bits, if you have only one 8 bits, here 32 bits. If I'm only having one 8 bits only, then it will called as byte. Okay, that you know anything. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte.
Okay.
Byte addressability. Take down one. Byte and word. Big Indian and little Indian. Very important. Take down this diagram. Sorry. So memory location, how to find the address space, everything understood or not based on the memory? Any doubts you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask me now. This you leave it. That's a sign integer only, you remember. If it is 0, then it is a positive number, first bit. If it is 1, then when we go for problem, you will come to know what is the meaning of this. Now you understand like this. First bit, if it is 0, then the remaining thing is a positive number. If the first bit is 1, then the remaining thing is a negative number.
Ma'am, it's still the white screen, ma'am.
White screen now.
The
Whiteboard, ma'am.
whiteboard. The whiteboard.
Yeah, now we can see, ma'am.
I will check with the other system tomorrow. You are not hearing properly here. Are you able to hear me properly here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Shall I continue in this system? I will try in another system tomorrow.
This is only.
Hey, do mute yourself. Who is going to talk? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So next is Big Indian and Little Indian. Finished? Suppose I wanted to store. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen first. Suppose I wanted to store this 32-bit integer. What is that integer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is this 32-bit integer. If I want to store in the memory, how it is stored, that we are going to see now. There are two varieties of that. One is Big Indian and another one is Little Indian. That is byte and word addressing we will tell. What is that called as? Byte and word addressing. If it is a Little Indian, internally how it is stored is, suppose the starting memory location is 1000. see from the left you have to come. That 78 will be saved in the 1000. Then which is the next two integer after 78? Hello?
56.
56, ma'am.
56 will be stored in 1001. In 1002, which one will be saved?
34.
34.
In 1003, which one will be saved?
12.
12.
This is
12.
the Little Indian concept. Now we'll go for Big Indian. Write the same address 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. In 1000, 12 will be saved first in the Big Indian. Next is 34. Next is 56. Next is 17. This is the difference between Big Indian and the Little Indian concept. What is Big Indian, Little Indian, understood or not?
Above.
What does that tell me? Anyone?
Big Indian stores the MSB first
Hmm.
and then to LSB.
Hmm.
Little Indian stores the LSB first, then the MSB.
Yeah, correct. LSB first. Little Indian. LSB first. Least significant bit is first and then it will proceed. LSB first in the Little Indian. Like that you remember. Little means L. Next. Signed and unsigned words are aligned. If each they are saying they begin at the byte address, that is multiple of number of, that is it should be arranged properly. Aligned address, it should be usually in the power of 2. I told you. So if the word length is 16, aligned words should begin at 0, 2, 4, 8. Like that it will proceed. It will usually in the form of 2, power of 2. Next is memory operation. There are two memory operations, load and store. What is meant by load? Difference. And what is meant by store? Difference. Tell me. What is load?
It copies the value from location A to location B.
Load is reading and that is fetching from the memory is a load. Loading into the store means we are writing into the memory. Okay, process send the address of the desired location to the memory. The processor issue read signal. Memory reads the data stored at the address. Memory send the read data to the processor. This is a load operation. Now store operation, you tell me. What is store?
It writes the value.
Write the value. How we can write the value? Suppose I'm having the value 10. How to store it in the memory location 1000? 10 should be stored on the address 1000. How I can do it? Tell me. Process and the address of the memory location where you want to store the data. I told you last class only, no? Then processor issue write signal. Whatever in the this one MDR is there, that will be stored in the memory. How we will do? Tell me. How we will do? In MDR, we will have the value 10. In MAR, here we are having 1000. So in the 1000th address, I need to store the value 10. So that's why MDR is having the value 10. That is memory. What is the expansion of MDR?
Memory data.
Register. So now in the particular this one, I have to see here. Now I have to issue the write signal. So now I will issue the write signal. After issuing the write signal in the 1000 to the memory, I have to issue the write signal. So in the 1000th location, 10 will be saved. Like this, it will work. This is so. What are the two memory operation? What are the two memory operation?
Read and store.
Read and store. That is load and store. You should tell. What is load?
Fetching the value. Fetching the value.
Yeah. So this is a load and store. So how is the load of first? What is the first step for load? Process and the address of the desired memory location. The processor issue the read signal. Then memory reads the data stored at that address. Memory send the data to the processor. These are the way it will work. What is load operation? What is store operation? Storing the content into the particular memory address is called writing into the memory is called a store. Reading from the memory is called as load. So these are instruction sequencing. There are 4 types of instruction. See, data transfer between the memory and registers are there. Arithmetic and logic operation are there. Basic 4 types of operation. Take down that. The data transfer between the memory and register. What are all the? This one is there. Up to this, you understood or not? Any doubt? The big Indian, little Indian, memory, this one, memory location and address. Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am.
These are all the basic operations. You take them, then you wind up. Data transfer between memory and register. What are the ways of this one is there? Move, push, pop, exchange. Arithmetic logic of you only know. Add, subtract, multiplication, division, and or not. Program sequencing and control call that is I'll teach later. Call, return, blueprint. Input, output, in and out. This you remember enough. 4 basic operations. This is the instructions and instruction sequencing. Understood? Finish. So I'll stop here. How many I keep? Shall I wind up here? Enough? Okay. Only 1 minute is left. Any doubt, ma? Any doubt, students?
No, ma'am.
If you have doubt, you let me know. I'll explain you again, no problem. But be clear what you are studying. Thank you. Shall I wind up? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.